What started out to be a simple job turned into a real mess. My whole driveway between the buildings, uh, water leaking off the top of the house, top of the building, it deposited dirt. Well, the whole driveway looked like this. Actually, worse than this, because I've been washing it down with the hose trying to get the majority off. So I took my little machine here, and this is supposed to clean a 12-inch swipe at one time, but listen to it. Well, you can't hear it on the phone, but the grit off the driveway would get up in the little bearings, and this would quit turning. And you see the problem? See the little zigzags? And I'd work with it, and took WD-40 and sprayed on it, cleaned it out, got it spinning freely. It's not spinning real good right now either. But anyway, I got it free spinning, and it would work for just a few minutes, and poof, it'd go back out. Well, I finally figured it out. The water has no place to run in here. It's just this, okay? So what happens is dirt, sand, grit, mud washes up and starts filling up the interior of this thing, which puts the grit in here and stops this from turning. Solution: take my hose pipe, turn the water on, hose pipe in one hand, machine in the other hand, and walk in the machine real slow, with the water flowing in front of it to keep washing the mud out the way. And you see the results. Once I figured that out, in 5 or 10 minutes, I did almost the whole thing. Until then, I had done a small section back here. I'm telling you, and it took me like an hour. But once I figured out how to work the machine, you see it, it started walking right on through it.